All right, here we go. What is a revenue? A revenue in its basic form is a resource generated from a company's earnings activity. Okay, I like to put things in layman's terms. Now, again, this is kind of loosely stated, but it kind of follows the definition. And really, revenues are just, we earned it. If we've earned it, it's a revenue. Okay. Now, the question is, at what point do we earn it? Now, remember, if you remember talking about this with the revenue recognition principle, we said it is earned when we deliver the product or service, when the product or service is rendered. That is the linchpin to say this is a revenue. If I have not rendered the product or service, then it's not a revenue. I'm going to give you 3 scenarios here to kind of prove this point. Now, if I'm selling something to you, let's say I'm selling a pen, and you want this pen, and you say, hey, I really want that pen. And I say, sure, here's your pen. And then you give me $20 because it's an expensive pen. Okay, I have $20 in my hand. You have the pen in your hand. I have rendered the product or service to you. You have given me the cash, but I don't care about that. It is a revenue to me because I've given you that product or service. Now, that's scenario 1. Let's look at scenario 2. You say, I really want that pen. And I said, sure, I have a pen right here. And I give you the pen. But you say, I don't have $20 on me right now. Can I give it to you next week? Well, I've given you the pen, but you haven't given me squat. That's still a revenue for me. Because I didn't get the cash, but I don't care about the cash. It's a revenue for me because I have given you the product. Therefore, it is a revenue. That's scenario 2. Scenario 3, you say, I really want one of those pens. I say, I don't have a pen right now. Can I get it to you next week? And you say, sure. But I have $20 in my pocket right now. Can I go ahead and give that to you now so I don't spend it later so I can still get the pen? I say, sure, not a problem. You give me the $20, but I don't give you that pen back. Or I don't give you a pen. I never rendered the product or service. I got $20 cash, but I cannot claim that as revenue because I haven't given you the product or service. So it all is dependent on, have I given you the product or service? That's what a revenue is.